one part of the teaching is that everybody have to we are all not masculine or feminine. We are human beings, and we have the potential for all masculine and all feminine qualities. And like hormones, we have all hormones, we have all in every, kako se kaže, u svakoj stanici imamo cijelo ljudsko biće. And that's like symbolical physically, but inside we are like divine hermaphrodites. And the development in that content, like Animus and Anima of Carl Gustav Jung, in that context, everybody have to develop 200% all essential masculine as also feminine qualities. And that's what we are doing through many incarnations, borning sometimes 5 to 6 times in average, the clairvoyants say, like masculine, 5 to 6 times like feminine. And in all these, through all these incarnations we are developing 200% all essential masculine and feminine qualities. So at the end you are divine hermaphrodite. And from this point of view we get this instruction in Komaya that you have at first to develop yourself as the sex which you are. So if you are born in a feminine body, you have to develop so-called, because it's not, in reality it's not masculine and feminine, but so-called feminine qualities. So you have to find yourself good with this body which you get. So feminine body or masculine body. And to be for the other sex very attractive, because it's like your natural task. You are born now like feminine. So if you sit completely good in your feminine body and can express all so-called, or in society so-called feminine qualities, so you are satisfied with you, other sex is satisfied with you, now it's the time that you develop the opposite qualities. So that means also the man. If you are the man, develop the masculine. If you are strong in your masculine, okay, now you can develop all or devote you to the development of feminine qualities. So it is about real development, that I understand my role. If I get this body, I have some destiny, dobio sam neki sudbinski zadatak za ovo utjelovljenje.
I have got an assignment of the destiny for this incarnation. I know the adjective.
And so my task is now to find myself through this body, to express myself through this body so as the surrounding is expecting, and so that I get from my surrounding what I need for my life. And if I have this, I can get the wish to get even more, even higher, even the wholeness. So that means also the opposite part. And through this, I get completely independent. I'm self-sufficient being, completely realized, divine hermaphrodite, 100% developed, masculine as also feminine. So that's enlightenment.